Hey guys, this is your girl Gifted Girl Vlog, and today I'm gonna do some fish. If you look in my dish, I have two fish, and right here is my seasoning. Right over there is the type of seasoning that I use. I use garlic, black pepper, chicken seasoning, which is all purpose, chicken seasoning, which is seasoned up Maggi, and all purpose seasoned up bless me, all-purpose Maggi, some pimento green, and some, this is pimento seasoning. Now right here is where I put the seasoning, and I'm gonna season my fish. I'm gonna take up a pinch of the seasoning and put it in on the fish like this, y'all. Yes, got this I think rub on my fish, put some in the head, and I'm gonna massage it out in right here. Now massage it out and make you see what it looks like, and then we're gonna put it down and make him doing one thing. Okay, put some in the, let me slice it right here, see it right there, so put some in it, see, let's slice it, all of them. Yeah, all right, that is it right there, so, and right here, so yeah, some not inside this, open at the head up here, so you know when me done with it, me I eat all in teeth them. So that's what I'm gonna cook. Now I'm gonna cover this and let him sear it right there and marinate. You asked me why I never put salt in there, guys. I'm gonna put noodle in it too, so it will go stay till me ready. All right, we soon come right back. Just give me a minute or two. That is pumpkin. Then I'm gonna put some coconut milk. And do not trouble my phone. Oh, come on. Let's say about your book. Huh? Jesus Christ.
Guess what? We went to Happy Meal.
You do what?
We went to Happy Meal.
You went to Happy Meal?
Yeah, because we literally have the yellow fry.
Hey, talk to me.
Now they don't give us that anymore. They give us fries.
They did?
Yellow fry.
They did.
I'm still allergic to potatoes.
Mm?
Okay,
So guys, this is the end of my dinner. Now I'm gonna share out a bowl and show you what it looks like. So this is the end of the dinner. That is it. And over the sun, see the iPad. So now it's finished, guys, and that's the finishing touch. It's time for me to eat and then have a glass of wine with probably a glass of red wine. That's the wine I'm gonna have a glass of, and then this is it, guys. So tell me your thoughts, what you think. All right, thanks, and bye later.